let's bath together. Shampoo, let's shampoo our hair. Bubble, bubble, here comes little bubbles. Wash, wash, washing is so fun. Come on, let's shampoo together. Surprise! Wash, wash, let's wash our face. Slowly, slowly, rub on the face. Wash, wash, washing is so fun. Come on, let's wash together. Here it comes. Rub, rub, let's rub our hand. Bubble, bubble, there comes little bubbles. Wash, wash, washing is so fun. Come on, let's rub together. Rub, rub, let's rub our legs. Rubbing, rubbing, rubbing makes it clean. Rubbing, rubbing, rubbing is so fun. Come on, let's rub together. Bathing is so fun. Bathing makes us clean. Bathing is for must. Come on, let's bath together. Ice cream, so many types of ice cream.
Hello,
Ice cream, ice cream, so many types of ice cream. Ball ice cream, cup ice cream, cone ice cream, bar ice cream, ice cream.
Wow.
Ice cream, ice cream, so many flavors of ice cream. Ice cream, ice cream, so many flavors of ice cream. Whitish vanilla, greenish pista, pinkish strawberry, brownish chocolate, ice cream.
Yummy.
Ice cream, ice cream, there come the ball ice creams. Ice cream, ice cream,
Wow.
there come the ball ice creams. Yellowish mango, greenish pista, purple grape, brownish chocolate, we are ball ice cream. Ice cream, ice cream, there come the cup ice creams. Ice cream, ice cream, there come the
Hello,
cup
baby.
ice creams. Whitish vanilla, yellowish mango, purple grape, greenish pista, we are cup ice cream. Ice cream, ice cream, there come the cone ice creams. Ice cream, ice cream, there come the cone ice creams. Purple grape, yellowish mango, brownish chocolate, greenish pista, we are cone ice cream. chocolate. Brown is chocolate. We are ball ice cream. Bye bye.
Bye-bye. Have fun.
Baba black sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. One for daddy, one for mommy, and one for little Johnny who loves to play with me.
No.
Baba brown sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. One for Franco, one for Poppy, and one for little Tia who own a lot of toys.
Oh no.
Baba white sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. One for Henry, one for Hannah, and one for little Dolly who loves to wear a coat. Baba pink sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. One for Grandpa, one for Grandma, and one for little Kitty who loves to play with me.